So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will teach you on how to add music on Inshot application. So okay guys, just open your Inshot app. So click the video and then add video. For example, this one. So click check. And then click music. Then choose tracks. Ayan. So if you have your own music, so just click my music. And then if you want to choose effects, so this click effects. And then this one, for example, transition. Okay, so if you want to use this one, click use. Okay, then if you want to add another more music, so just click tracks again and then click featured. So for example, you want to choose the Inshot classic. So okay, for example, this one, good time. Okay, so make it sure guys that you have an internet connection so that you can use the music. Okay, so click this arrow down. Okay, that one you have to download first before you can use it. So okay, so now click use. Okay, then play. And if you want to cut this music, so just click this and then this clip, click this one and then split and then click this one and then click delete. Okay, and then if you want to edit this clip music, click edit, and then as you can see there's a feed in and feed out. Okay, if you want to have an feed out, so just adjust this one. Okay, and then if you want to add the volume, make it 200%, so just drag this one and then check and then check. Okay, so let's play. And then click save. So wait to end this advertisement, so click close, click X, the upper right side. Okay, so wait until save. Then if it is finished converting, just click the check icon here in the upper right side. So now as you can see, there's a check icon or save, so you can click this one. Okay, then go to your gallery and that's it. So thank you for watching. Hope you can learn this video. And if you are not subscribed yet, so just click the subscribe button so that you will be updated for more videos. And then don't forget to click the notification bell to notify you if I have a new video uploaded.